We met love the first time and you said to me, there's something about this place. Something about lonely nights and my lipstick on your face. Something about my cool Nebraska guy. Yeah, something about, yeah, baby, you and I. Let's go.